Ginagawa mo?
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's vlog, it's my vlog number 3! And for today's video, I will be showing you on how to download YouTube videos without using any mobile application. Kay, kasagaran sa tuwa, mag-download lang sa YouTube para butang sa offline. So this video will help you download the YouTube videos and put it into your gallery. Okay, so let's proceed to the video. Wow. Okay, so first we go to Wi-Fi. Iyon na to ang Wi-Fi. Huwag natin Wi-Fi. Pero kung natin Wi-Fi, data lang sa na tong data. Then matuta sa YouTube application. Tugaya pun magloading ay. My God, signal. Kadugay ba? So nara. No. Paano mag-start ng sariling YouTube channel? O, diba? Perfect. So, for me, I'll just download my own video. O, diba? Mahalin ang sariling akin. And Jeric Magsalay Vlogs. Click. Then, akong i-download kay how to download Facebook videos. Kana. Click that one. Then, just click share. Kana. Just click share. And then pop up ang kana siya. Then copy link. Click copy link. Then after mo siya makopy, there, copied. Ato siyang is-search sa Google Chrome. Matuta Google Chrome or Samsung internet browser. So I will use Google Chrome. I-search na to ang YTMP3 or YouTube to MP3. YTMP3. Nara. So, i-click na to ng YouTube to MP3. Nara ang mugawas. So, atong i-paste ang atong i-copy diri sa box. Just paste. Paste. Then atong i-click ang MP4 siya. Then after that atong i-convert. Just click the convert button, that one. Click that one. Then mag-convert na siya. Nara magloading video, checking video. There. Then after that mugawas ang kana. Then click download. Then in a few minutes or seconds mag-download siya. Grabe daghana kay maglabay oy lisod ning kapuyo tagilalom sa tulay. My God. So there, download complete. Itong lantawan. Download complete. To make sure nga downloaded na jud siya, we go to our file manager or my files. Asa naman to ron? Asa na ka? Magpakita. Nara. My files. So click your downloads. So, Nara, how to download? This is the video that we downloaded. So, there you have it. So, karon, you have a small idea.
Ginagawa mo.
Banakay sila, banak.
Ginagawa mo.
Okay, so if ever you've learned something, wow, bisan gamay lang, just don't forget to like this video. Wow. Or else, comment na lang pod. Lo, dagko ko kay bugs. Dagko ko kay bugs. Maran ako adik. Adik sa'yo.
Adik sa'yo, awit sa akin.
Okay. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell button notification. Thank you so much.